Why is my Ninja Blender making a strange noise during operation?
Hello, Blender enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us may face at some point: why your Ninja Blender might be making a strange noise during operation. A quiet kitchen appliance suddenly turning noisy can be quite unnerving. We're going to help you diagnose what might be causing the noise and give you some solutions to rectify it.
Is the noise normal?
Firstly, it's essential to note that all blenders make some noise while in operation due to their powerful motors. However, if you notice a sudden increase in noise level or a new sound that wasn't there before, it could be a sign of an issue.
Misalignment of the blender base and pitcher.
One common reason for unusual noise is a misalignment of the blender base and pitcher. This happens when the pitcher isn't seated correctly on the base, causing the drive socket and the blade assembly not to align correctly. This misalignment can lead to increased noise and friction. To solve this, ensure that the pitcher is seated correctly and securely on the blender base.
Damaged or worn-out blade assembly.
Another possibility is a damaged or worn-out blade assembly. The blades of a blender undergo a lot of stress, especially if frequently used for crushing hard ingredients like ice or nuts. If the blades are damaged or worn out, they can create additional noise during operation. The solution? Inspect the blade assembly and, if necessary, replace it. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions or consult a professional to ensure safe replacement.
Motor overheating or faulty.
A third cause for an unusually noisy blender could be the motor. If the motor is overheating or is faulty, it can lead to an increased noise level. This can happen due to overuse, especially when blending for extended periods or blending hot liquids. The first step to rectify this is to let your blender rest and cool down between uses. If the noise persists, it might be a sign of a more serious issue, and you may need to have the motor inspected by a professional. Troubleshooting the noises coming from your Ninja Blender can be a relatively straightforward process. Remember, it's important to listen to your appliances. They often tell us when something isn't right. We hope this video has helped you understand why your blender might be noisier than usual and given you some simple solutions to rectify the issue. Always consult your user manual or a professional for specific guidance. Until next time, keep blending.